or the first 2 months, can he
Did
avail...
you say something towards me?
I'm saying that we shouldn't.
No, I heard something else. If you have the courage, repeat it. Repeat it.
Repeat it as in malgré.
You! I order you out. I order you out. I order you out. I order you out. Secrétaire. Allez.
Mr. Speaker, may I?
Please, go ahead.